I will show you how a ductless mini split air conditioner is installed, including both the indoor and the outdoor units. So, let's get started. I will install the new air conditioning unit here, but it has two ways to do it. One is that if you do not already have a hole inside the wall, its method will be different. But if you already have a hole in the wall, then the method will be a little different. Now, in our situation, since the hole is already present in the wall, I will place this plate here, and I will find its center point. I have given a little gap here, and on this side, I have also given a little gap so that when we do the installation, we have this gap so that we can do this work easily. Now, I will take some measurements, but these measurements will be used for both situations, whether the wall has a hole or not. If the hole is present, then it should still be accurate. So for this pipe is installed here, so we have to find the center of this pipe. After finding the center, I have to measure it, approximately 22 centimeters from the pipe to the end of the plate, which is its center point. I will memorize it. Similarly, the plate should be properly seated inside. Then, I will take its measurements from here. Let me turn the measuring tape upside down so that from here, we can find the center from the plate to the pipe. Then, take its measurements. At this moment, 16 centimeters is the difference, that is its measurement. Now, the measurements I have taken will be useful to us in both situations, whether this hole is already present or not present. If it is not present, you should install the plate first. And after that, you will need your measurements. If the hole is present, then you first have to take the measurements and then install the plate. So, from this side, the measurement was 22 centimeters, which was the center. I will take the center of the 22 centimeters. So I have got the center point, so I will mark it. So this is an end point of the plate. So, I have marked it here. Similarly, I will measure on this side. This is my point. It is about 16 centimeters, so I will have to come down a little bit. The point is here. This is the center of this hole. I will mark it here first. It will be easier then. You will also understand more. I have taken the center of the hole from this side. Similarly, I have taken the center of the hole from this side. I have not got the center from both the axes. First, I took measurements of this side. As I have already marked it, let's see this. This is 22 centimeters, which is accurate here. In the same way, now we have to find its center from the top, which is about 16 centimeters, the center from this axis. In all the new air conditioners, nitrogen gas is charged in their indoor units to prevent the moisture inside the unit. I will remove this screw, and the gas will come out of it. The gas did not come out of it. Normally, it has gas inside the pipes, but it has no nitrogen gas present in it. Now, the pipe can be bent in various positions to install the unit. So, there is one position in which I have put the pipe. Since we have to take it out from the wall, as I have already shown you the holes, we have to take it out from this hole. But if your situation is different, then see here, these cuts have been made. You can keep the position of the pipe accordingly, so if you have to take it out from this point here, the pipe will be laid down in its original condition, so you will keep it as it is. Now you want to take the pipe out from here, then the pipe will be bent and positioned according to it. And if you want to take the pipe from this place, then see here also the cut is present, and similarly at last, the cut is present here as well. So you will remove this piece from here, and then you will bend the pipe according to it.
kapatmıyorum. যাবে।
I am tired now, and I run on coffee. So buy it for me on Patreon. Click the link on the screen to visit. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos. And subscribe. Thank you.